All right, so we come to number 5. And number 5 has an equation and a graph. Matter of fact, every answer choice is a graph. So we call this one graph and match. So when you see an equation and graphs, you're going to think graph and match. Y'all can laugh at my handwriting. I'm writing with my mouse. So graph and match means that I'm going to open my calculator. So I'm going to open my Desmos calculator right here. It says calculator. I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to put in exactly what I see for my equation. So this says f parentheses x, and we say f of x, that's how we say that, equals 3 parentheses 2 divided by 3. That gives me my fraction. Arrow out, close those parentheses. Now the x is in the exponent. So to get an exponent, a shortcut to the exponent is Shift 6, and I'm going to put my x there. Notice it gives me a graph. All right, so some things I need to know for my matching. This is a decreasing function. So this is decay. It's going down as we move left to right. So it's going further and further down, further and further down, closer and closer to the x-axis. So this is a decreasing or decaying function. All right, so that's important because I've got a graph, I've got several graphs here that I need to match. Now, the second thing I want to notice is that I have my y-intercept. This is my y-axis right here, this vertical axis. My y-intercept is at 0, 3. Okay, so now that I've kind of taken note of some of those things, I can look at my answer choices. So I've got an answer choice here, and its y-intercept is at 1. Okay, and that matches, it is decreasing or decaying, kind of has that same swoop, but it crosses the y-axis at 1. So this is not my answer choice. So then I need to go on to my next question, my next answer choice. Let me clear. Okay, and so I'm going to page up. I know that this is not my answer choice because it's increasing, and that doesn't match my graph at all. And it also crosses at 1. So that one is out. So then my next answer choice, well, look at there. There's another decreasing function. Matter of fact, let's see. Here's my y-intercept, and that's 3. Here the x value is 0, and my y value is 3 right there. That matches my y-intercept on my graph. And then the next function I can see already without actually going all the way down to it. This is an increasing function, so that one is out. So without doing much more, I can close out of that and choose my correct answer, which is C, because it matches the graph. Remember, graph and match, and you'll get these correct every time.